This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Yeah, here we are. Welcome, guys and girls, to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? All right, just like I said, here we are. Part 7. This is it. Whether it runs or not, this is it. Today we're going to find out. Last episode, we got down to everything. We had to charge up the battery. The battery is charged. I haven't checked it yet, though. The charger showed that it was charged, but who knows? We got everything in there. Connect the battery. And what we're going to do is disconnect the fuse to the fuel pump. We do not want the fuel pump to come on right now. We need to crank this engine, get that oil circulating through the engine. Consider priming it. You want to do that when you do something like that. You got to get that oil through that engine first. Then we're going to put that fuse in it. See what happens. This is it. All right. We'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. I put the battery in. I didn't even test to see if this battery is good or not. I gotta test that. But now we want to disable the fuel pump. Now I got the cover here to the power distribution box, and we see right over here the fuel pump relay. So that one's right there. There's this relay right here. So what we're gonna do is disable that, take that out, put that to the side. That's gonna stop the fuel pump from coming on. Again, that's so the engine can crank over without starting. The oil pump can pick up some oil, get the oil distributed throughout the engine, and it's not a dry start like this engine really gonna have that. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do, we got the new belt, and we're gonna go by the belt routing that without AC. So I'm gonna put the belt on. We'll be right back. All right, I got the belt onto the grooves that I need to, except for the alternator. What I got here is my 15mm 3/8 drive. Put it on the tensioner over here, and I gotta go like I'm tightening it. So I'm going clockwise. Wait a minute, that ain't right. That is not right. Oh man, this ain't gonna work. This belt is too short. Be right back. Alright guys, this belt is not working. So we got another belt coming down. But what we can do in the meantime, we can crank the engine over, because we don't need it to start. Let's crank it over and get this oil pressure going. So I'm gonna connect the battery over here. Okay, let me find some keys here. Alright, crank it over and see what we get.
At least it's charging.
Standing way back there, huh?
It has nothing to do with your work, and it has everything to do with that raggedy engine.
Alright, so we cranked it over. Actually, we're going to put a jump on it so you can crank it over faster. And as soon as the belt gets here, we're going to put the belt on. We're going to try to start it up. Be right back. Alright, we got the jumper cables hooked up to our number 22, to our Cougar. And, jump this again. Let's crank it over again. there we go. As soon as we put this belt on, we're gonna try to start it up whenever the belt gets here. We'll be right back. All right, guys, got the belt just about on. Okay, get our tensioner over here. Okay, it fits. Perfect fit. Now, it's funny because the belt that it calls for this vehicle that does not have AC is a 885 K7. So we got the 885 K7, but as you saw, it was too short. So what we got here now is in case you run across this problem, we have a 900 K7, and it fit perfect. So go figure. All right, now that I got that on, now I'm gonna get my 1 7/16 inch wrench, and I'm gonna tighten up the fan clutch. We definitely wanna do that because we start this up, that fan jump into that radiator, we got a problem. All right, let's tighten it up. We'll be right back. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is tighten up the nut for the fan clutch. Let's turn that and bring that in. And it stops. Why does this thing feel like it's hitting? I'm gonna have to loosen up this. Oh yeah, and I can see actually there's marks on down there where it was hitting. Alright, so I'm gonna get my wrench here. Then I'm gonna take my hammer and I'm gonna hit right up here to get this thing tightened up. Alright, so tighten that up and I'll be right back. Alright, we got this. You can hear it actually hitting. Watch this. So what I'm gonna do is loosen up all 4 bolts on the fan shroud and see if I can push it down a little bit to make up for that adjustment. If it don't, that just means that the motor mounts must be bad and just sunk down. All right, let's loosen this up. Loosen these nuts up right here, bolts. All right, I'm gonna loosen them up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I want to show you what I'm talking about. Let me get my light right here. And let's see if we can get a good shine on it. There it is. And if you look on the bottom of the shroud, right there, see that mark right there? That's where it's hitting at. Now, that looks like it's been there for a while because we didn't do nothing yet. So I'm gonna loosen up the bolts. I'm gonna try to push down on the fan a little bit and then tighten them up. So we'll be right back. All right. Great. Not hitting. Are we ready to start it? Oh, well, let me put the relay back in.
What's up with this?
Oh. Here. Okay. There we go. All right, we ready? You ready?
I need to back up.
Why?
I don't trust that engine.
Okay, let me start.
Raggedy. I'd rather sit on that engine.
All right, here we go. Got old gloves in my pocket.
You put the relay back in?
Yep. Hey, that mic on?
Yeah. I'm not like you.
Okay. Ready? What the heck was that? Now you standing back and let's find out what the heck that noise was. Dang it, the fan still hitting. Let me I thought that was knocking. Let me adjust this a little bit more and then we're gonna start it up again. Be right back. Alright. I moved it over again. Let's try this again. Check engine light is on instantly. What I'm going to do is clear the check engine light out, see if it comes back on. Let's look up underneath and see if we got the leaks. No leaks. Alright, we'll shut it off. We're going to clear the check engine light out. And then we're going to, I don't know what they're going to. So this is one thing about doing these jobs. We have no idea how this car was running before. I hear the fan clutch going in and out. Overall, it don't sound bad at all. Except for that fluctuating idle. Alright, so I'm going to clear the check engine light out. Then we're going to start it back up and see what kind of code comes back, if one comes back. We'll be right back. Alright guys, Sylvia's over there clearing out the check engine light. While she's doing that, we're going to jack this thing up so we can let this down so we can see, get a good look at what's going on better. Everything looking good. I mean, it didn't run too long, but alright, so we're gonna let this down. We'll be right back. Alright, we got it lowered down. Now before Sylvia clears the light out, let's go over here and see what was in there.
Wait a minute, now I gotta go back because I was... Hold on then. I want to be like Rose.
Can I see the screen? Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Okay. Map sensor, voltage too high. And governor pressure solenoid. That's part of the transmission. Both confirmed. Alright, so let's clear it. We're gonna clear it out. Then let's go over here and make sure our map sensor is connected and everything. And then we'll be right back. Alright, let's go over here to the map. There we go. Wasn't plugged up all the way. Yes, hold, you're gonna have to clear it again. Alright, so that was the only code that we got on that.
Clear it now?
Yeah, you can clear it. Alright. We still got that governor pressure solenoid. This thing got no transmission fluid in. We gotta put some transmission fluid into this thing. Alright, we're gonna start this up again. When we come back, we'll put our power distribution cover back on.
Check engine light is not on.
That's good. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's start this up again. Get my jack out the way. Actually, this thing should be able to start up by itself, and I want to hear it without another vehicle. Without another vehicle running. All right, let's start it up. Rough. Probably go through a relearn and all that. Alright guys, we're gonna let this run for a little while, and I gotta check this transmission fluid. We'll let it run for like 15 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, girls, it's been about 30, 40 minutes maybe. It was smoking over here and all, everything cleared up. It's running pretty good. You know, it's funny, the thing runs good, but nobody will ever know what's inside that engine except for us guys. Alright, let's go over here and check the temperature and all. Check engine light did come back on for that governor. Now it feels like a slight little misfire. You can look at the RPM gauge. Sometimes it like fluctuate a little bit, but the temperature's staying good, everything's staying good. Oil pressure's up to about 39. So that's it. Unhook our, this thing is all busted. Unhook our Actron. And matter of fact, let's see if it starts up by itself. That battery's no good, he's gonna need a battery too. So, oh well. Be right back.
Alright, finally, part 7, the end. So, we finished it all up. Truck running pretty good. So, the only thing left is for the customer to come pick up his truck. He's got to bring some transmission fluid because, as you guys know, there was 0 transmission fluid in there. And we didn't have it. This takes ATF4. We didn't have that. We had Dextron. So we're going to have him bring some. And at some point, he's going to have to get a new battery because this one's dragging a little bit. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comment section. Or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.